Okay, so we are going to do example number 1 for our virtual wheel and axle lab. So here is our example. We have a doorknob and the hinge, and the idea is that your force of effort would be somewhere around there, okay, and your resistance force is somewhere around there, right? And with wheel and axle, we have to deal with diameter. So, looking through this first one, we are given the radius of the wheel, okay, and the radius of the axle. Now, right away, we can just use radius here because if we think about diameter, right, we have, if it's diameter over diameter, and both are 2 times a radius, right, the 2's are going to cancel out. So you can right away just worry about radiuses here. So sometimes if I jump ahead and do something in terms of radius instead of diameters, it's okay as long as you're consistent. If you have 2 diameters or 2 radii, it's fine. If you have one that's diameter, one's a radius, that's when you have a problem. Okay, so first things first, we have calculate the ideal mechanical advantage if the resistance force is applied to the axle. So our axle is going to be our resistance, and this is going to be our effort. So our IMA, all right, I'm a deer, dE over dr. We need to get the IMA. We have the radius of the wheel, which is the effort, is going to be 4.125. Okay. The radius of the resistance is 0.125. We divide it out and we get an IMA of 33. All right, next one. Considering the efficiency, right? What's our efficiency? Our efficiency is given as 0.85. So we have an efficiency of 0.85 or 85%. Calculate the AMA. Well, again, the formula for efficiency is going to be AMA divided by IMA, because AMA should always be smaller. So that means if I want to get AMA by itself, I would have to, let me do that real quick just to show the algebra. All right, so my AMA is going to be, I'm going to cross out my IMA, multiply on both sides. Yoink, yoink. And I get my IMA times my efficiency is equal to my AMA. All right, so my AMA is going to be my IMA, which is 33, times my efficiency, 0.85. That's a 5, really, I swear. And I get 28.05 as my AMA. All right, moving to the next part. So now for the resistance force. All right, my resistance force. If I need my resistance force, that's because I know AMA is FR over FE. Okay, so my resistance force that I need, my effort force is given to be 2.25 pounds. So I have 2.25 pounds is my effort. All right, well, let's do our algebra first. So I'm going to multiply both sides by effort force. Effort force cancel out. So I have FR is equal to FE times AMA. All right, my effort force we just said was 2.25 pounds. And my AMA we just calculated to be 28.05. So 2.25 times 28.05, and I get 63.1 pounds. Okay, thanks so much for watching.